Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Plaid to connect your bank for fintech insurance apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Plaid website in your web browser. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Provide your email address, create a secure password, and agree to the terms of service. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Plaid. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Plaid login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. After logging in, you will see a dashboard with various options. Select the option to connect your bank account. Choose your bank from the list or use the search feature to find it. Log into your bank account using your online banking credentials. Authorize Plaid to access your bank data by following the prompts. Review the permissions and confirm that you want to share your banking information. Once connected, Plaid will securely link your bank account to the Fintech insurance app. You will receive a confirmation message once the connection is established. Return to the Fintech insurance app to complete any additional setup steps. Your bank account is now connected, allowing you to use the app's features. If you encounter any issues, consult Plaid's help section for troubleshooting tips. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure for your privacy and security. Your registration with Plaid is complete, and you are ready to use your Fintech insurance app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.